Use stage fright to answer questions 18 through 22, then fill in the answers. 18. Read these lines from the poem. I memorized each line, learned them by heart. The poet uses the figurative expression learned them by heart to emphasize that the speaker, F, has volunteered to be in the play, G, practices on the stage, H, enjoys playing the role of the prince, or J, feels prepared for his performance. 19. The poet uses line 11 to signal that the speaker changes from A, cheerful to sad, B, interested to bored, C, confident to unsure, and D, desperate to hopeful. 20. In line 3, why does the poet repeat and italicize the words from line 2? F, to show that the role will be difficult. G, to emphasize that this role is important to the speaker. H, to show that the speaker is familiar with the play. Or J, to give the name of the play the speaker is in. 21. The poem is mostly about a speaker who, A, is chosen for a role in a play that he doesn't understand, B, has trouble with his lines after seeing his classmates in the audience, C, experiences problems on stage but is able to finish his performance, or D, can hardly wait to be on stage because he has practiced so much. 22. The poet uses figurative language in line 18 to highlight the speaker's F, determination to do well, G, anxiety once he gets on stage, H, satisfaction in being chosen for the role, or J, eagerness to perform. Use fear takes center stage to answer questions 23 through 26. Which of these best expresses the main idea of paragraph 5? A, eating certain foods can help prevent stage fright. B, stage fright affects people who do not practice their performance. C, wearing the proper clothing can help relieve stage fright. Or D, stage fright can be overcome by using several strategies. 24. The author speaks directly to the reader in paragraphs 1 and 2 in order to F, encourage the reader to try out for a play, G, share a personal story with the reader, H, help the reader understand the experience of stage fright, or J, demonstrate that acting requires skill. 25. Read the dictionary entry. Strike, verb. 1. To hit with a hand or an object. 2. To crash against. 3. To affect suddenly. Or 4. To come to an agreement. Which definition best matches the word strike as it is used in paragraph 3? A, definition 1, B, definition 2, C, definition 3, D, definition 4. 26. The author's opinion that stage fright can be overcome is best supported by F, the reaction of Mariah Carey's fans, G, Mariah Carey's experience, H, the description of how a body reacts to stress, or J, information about the source of stage fright. Use stage fright and fear takes center stage to answer questions 27 through 30. 27. Both selections suggest that stage fright can A, happen even when a person wants to perform, B, permanently affect a person's health, C, get better when an audience shows support, or D, be worse for actors than other type of performers. 28. What is one difference between the sections? F, the article describes how stage fright feels, but the poem does not. G, the article provides a scientific explanation for stage fright, but the poem does not. H, the poem indicates that a person can overcome stage fright, but the article does not. Or J, the poem gives an example of a person with stage fright, but the article does not. 29. Based on information provided in both selections, the reader can conclude that stage fright is the result of A, an unexpected event that shocks a person, B, making a mistake in front of others, C, not really wanting to perform, or D, being the center of attention. 30. With which statement would the poet and the author most likely agree? F, performing in front of a crowd can make a person nervous. G, the foods people eat can affect their performance. H, a crowd's applause can disturb a performer. Or J, acting is the most difficult kind of performing. Please make sure that you have shown all of your strategies on every single question.